Hello everyone, my name is Smir Sardana, a plus educator on Unacademy. I have been teaching on Unacademy from last 4 years and I have been taking classes for Quant, data interpretation and logical reasoning for CAT. I'm going to start a foundation course of logical reasoning on 10th of January. This course will help you understand the basics of logical reasoning and will help you in making a strong foundation for you to understand the advanced level concepts of logical reasoning. In this foundation course, I'll give you the exposure of all different types of logical reasoning and we will be discussing basics or moderate level of sets of logical reasoning in this session. The course is getting started on 10th of January. Timing would be 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. There will be 6 sessions that I'll be taking in this course and we'll be covering all possible types of logical reasoning at basic level. So this course will be launched on Unacademy Plus. Use the code SME.YT to get subscription on Unacademy Plus for 10% off, as well as to get my one-to-one mentorship for your CAT exam preparation. Thank you.